Hello guys and good evening. This is 7:30 and today we are going to do what's in my bag. This is my bag. Actually, this is a tote bag. The previous one was a clutch and this one is a tote bag that I use mostly. So let's get started. So first of all, we will go in these little chains, but I don't think so I have anything in it. And so sorry if I have garbage inside my bag because I mostly put it inside because adat se majboor hai. First thing is this ticket, bus's ticket, and then we have a safety pin, very tiny one. That's it in the first tiny chains, nothing inside, and a chocolate wrapper. As I've said, there is so much garbage in my bag. So yeah, now let's go to the second chain. That is this one. We have so much stuff in it. Um, First of all, we have a handkerchief, a baby pink color handkerchief. Second thing, we have random tapes, random washi tapes. Like, see, this is the one, heart one, and then we have this Van Gogh uh, washi tape with so many little chords, and then we have, I don't know the character's name, but it is very cute. It is a bear actually. So this is also a washi tape. These three washi tapes and one more washi tape that is also like green themed and so many quotes. Okay, so that was my washi tapes, random washi tapes in my bag. So the next item is my ID card, my college's ID card. I use it daily and I never remove it from my tote bag because tote bag is a bag I carry to my college. And if I'll remove this ID card, I'll never gonna see it again. So never removing it from my bag. So the next thing is my makeup bag that is so messed up right now because this is very randomly I'm shooting on a random day. It was decided. So this is the bag. I am going to let you know what's inside this bag. So first is this is supposed to be a box in which I used to put every jewelries, but right now it is empty with just a ring. See, this red ruby ring only. Let me wear it. Only the red ruby ring is inside. There were so many rings, necklaces and other things, but right now it is empty because it is all messed up. And the next thing is this is my, yeah, this is my bank or something that I can't show. And these are all the tickets that I am preserving for my future generations. This is an empty box which also have to like supposed to be hair accessories in it, but there's no hair accessories, messed up and empty. I'm so sorry. And there is this bindis that I love bindis, see, but I don't like that much big bindis. So yeah, I love wearing bindis. So these are the bindis, but actually there was a character day in my college. For that I've purchased these and I can cut and use it. So yeah. So Azan is going on. After Azan I'll be back. Okay, so that was the bindi tails. Oh, what's wrong with my accent? Just kidding. So here is a clutch that is so important, and this is very nice, like metallic finish. I love this clutcher. I have same clutchers like metallic finish in 4 5 colors, but I don't know where is it now. Clumsy. More tickets and more chocolate wrappers. I don't know how much chocolate I wait to have so much chocolate wrappers. This is a artificial rose that I carry. मेरे कान में है जो बाली. Okay, and this is a red clutcher, red maroon clutcher. I don't know. Camera on camera it is looking very different, but actually it's a maroon burgundy color that is so beautiful. Red is also very beautiful, but this color is very pretty. So yeah, one pen that is in that is empty actually. What the hell is going on? See, actually, it's empty. This is a deep cleaning session, not a what's in my bag anymore session. So yeah, I have a lip liner of maroon color. This is also maroon color, and the brand is Me On shade 02 Glam Red. This is very 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 pretty, and this is Just Herbs Glimmering Cocoa shade 04. This is also a lipstick, but in a nude brown color and a little glossy finish, not the matte one. But this is also very pretty. Okay, so the next item we have is this keychain that my friend have gifted me. This is the keychain in which, because I'm so lazy and I procrastinate small things that I can delegate a lot, I am not putting any photo in it. It's been almost 2 months, but that is so like I have to print it out and all those stuffs. This is a this is an earring, and the pair, I don't know where is it. This is a necklace. This is another necklace, and one more necklace. Okay, there are three, four necklaces in total. I will tell you why I keep all these. And this is a safety pins packet, and there is no safety pin inside. uh, I'll tell you why I keep all these in my bag. Like, this is also an earring, because I live very far away from my college. Like, my home is a lot far, a lot far than you think. A rubber eraser actually. So that's why I do my makeup mostly, or I get ready mostly on bus, in bus. And even after reaching college, sometimes see the pair. Safety pin, a big one. See, and the watch, the bracelet watch that was so beautiful, but I broke it. I am like this only, yaar. It is so hard to tolerate me. I myself am tolerating myself very hardly. So I cannot expect anyone else to tolerate me as well, because I know I'm very hard to tolerate and I'm very hard to handle. So you should handle me with care. Just kidding. This is another earrings, whatever you call it. Depends. And this is a small cute clutch. And that's it, I guess. There are same things like more. Oh my god, more these safety pins, a bobby pin, a very very beautiful nose pin. I love nose. I love jewelries. In short, I want to just tell you that I love jewelries. I love to wear jewelries. I love to get accessorized, but it's very hard for me to do it all, because my schedule is very very hectic, very very busy. This is another earring pair, and this is the another earring. This is another safety pin, another earring that is broken, uh, and more earrings. That is also the pair. Actually, it's a butterfly, two colored butterfly, but one color has gone, so it have to go. And that's it. We have another, like, safety pin and so much chocolates. Wait, I'll show you. So many chocolates I've shown you in that bag also. This bag also contains so many chocolates. And again, two of the tickets, and then my bag is empty. So yeah, that's all. And a very beautiful stone. Yeah, that was it in the makeup bag. So here we have another lipstick from Just Herbs. It is a lipstick come lip tint, and it is in the shade 01 Ruby Red. So this is very 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 beautiful. I love bold colors on me. I just love them. No matter what's the theme, no matter what's the day, I just love a bold color. Gives me main character vibes. And we have cash in the bag, obviously. And then more tickets. And then we have this beautiful lipstick that is from Glitter Lip, the Fashion Factory. This is the lipstick. This is that lipstick that is trending all over the internet. Like, Nagma Mirajkar have used it in the Big Boss, and everybody was asking for link, but I have it already in my wardrobe. So this is very pretty shade. I use it sometimes, mostly on big days. This is a white kajal. That is also very very important, because my eyes looks very sleepy in the morning, and I use it, and then I am totally changed. I am fully awakened. So yeah, and this is a pen. Let's see if it works or not. Yes, it is working.